Okay, so tuloy na natin since na-start na natin yung trial balance. So, anong gagawin natin? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin is gagawa tayo ng income statement. So, yung magic gagawin natin. Income statement and balance sheet. So, pag nagpe-prepare kayo ng financial statement, inuuna yung income statement muna bago natin ilagay yung ating balance sheet. Since sa income statement, i-compute natin yung ating income tax, which is kapag ipinasok sa balance sheet, magiging under siya ng income tax payable. Magiging part siya ng liabilities since babayaran natin siya later sa BIR. So, kung hindi natin uunahin yung ating income statement, hindi magbabalance yung inyong balance sheet. So, ganun yung category niya ha. Again, when we compute the income tax of the company, it will be part of the balance sheet under liabilities. So, under siya ng liabilities since hindi pa siya nababayaran. Babayaran pa lang. Okay? So, let's start with the income statement. So, meron tayong income statement dito. So, ang gagawin natin, galawin nyo yung equals, ilipat nyo sa trial balance, kunin nyo yung Gumamela Corporation. Enter. So, nandun na siya sa kabila. Another one, galawin nyo yung sa trial balance. Ayan. Meaning to say, trabahong ano to, tamad. Medyo ano lang siya, madali lang. Ngayon, isipin nyo, so this one is income statement, so palitan natin siya ng income statement. Or, gawin na lang natin statement of operation para magandang pakinggan, yung mas bago. Statement of operation. So, when you say statement of operation, it also means income statement. Okay, so when you start the income statement, ano ba yung inuuna? Di ba meron tayong sales or revenue? So, dito sa statement natin, ang meron tayo ay sales. So, unahin natin yung sales. So, kulayan nyo para at least, saglit. Sales. So, this one is sales. Okay, so kulayan natin yung kabila para at least alam natin na ano na natin siya. Nagalaw na natin. And then, balik tayo sa income statement. Ano ba yung laman? Di ba kanina may nakita kayong cost of sales? So, less cost of sales. So, kunin natin yung word na cost of sales. Dito. Okay? So, sales minus cost of sales is equals to gross profit. Okay? And then, ano ba yung kasunod niya? Diba? Less all operating expenses. Operating expenses. Ayan. So, less operating expenses, ilalagay natin lahat ng expenses. So, sa second part natin ilagay. Okay, pagandahin natin Okay. So, lahat ng operating expenses, kukunin nyo lang. So, start tayo dito. Nakalagay naman dito kung expenses, di ba? Ayan. So, kunin nyo salary expense equals to, kunin nyo yung rent expense equals to, kunin nyo, equals to, kunin nyo yung, ano ba yung kasunod na expense? Yan, utilities expense equals to, kunin nyo yung insurance equals to, kunin nyo yung supplies equals to, kunin nyo yung depreciation equals to, kunin nyo yung miscellaneous. Ayan. And then, may natira pa, may nakita ako. Ito ay interest expense. Okay, so ilan lahat yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, assure lang na nakuha natin lahat. Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Plus ito, 8. Ayan, eksakto. So, ang cost of sale, tapos na rin. Okay, ano pa ba yung wala sa income statement? So, yung natitira ay part na ng balance sheet. So, wala na tayong ano. So, lahat yan ay ilalagay na natin. So, trivia lang ha. Kapag may nakita kayong office supplies, it is part of current asset kasi hindi pa naman siya nagagamit. So, kapag naging office supplies expense na yan, ibig sabihin, nagamit na. Kaya sa ngayon, yung office supplies na yan ay part pa rin siya ng current asset. Kaya hindi natin siya inilagay. Wherein, kapag may nakita kayong supplies expense, ito yung mga nagamit na. Okay? So, compute na tayo. So, kunin muna natin pala yung amount. So, bago tayo mag-compute. So, yung amount ng ating... Ayan. So, pag gagawa ng amount, ganito gawin nyo. Lagyan nyo siya ng comma. Highlight, comma. That means, lahat ng isusulat natin magiging amount na or cash. So, una is sales. So, equals. Naglagay ako ng space sa ikatlong first column, second column, third column. Ikatlong column. Naglagay uli ako ng equals. Tapos, kukunin ko yung amount ng sales. Okay? And then, dito pala natin ilagay sa second part para kung ano man yung end result. Hindi, dito na lang. Gulo ko, no? Okay, sales. And then, less cost of sales. Ang cost of sales ay 850. Ayan. Kunin na muna natin yung mga account bago tayo mag-compute. And then, we have the salary expense. Ayan. We have the rent expense. We have the utility expense. We have the insurance expense. We have the supplies expense. So, tapat nyo lang, tapat. We have the depreciation expense. We have the miscellaneous expense. And the last part is the interest expense. Ayan. So, compute na tayo. So, sales minus cost of sales is equals sales minus cost of sales. So, meron tayong 1958. So, lagyan natin ito ng isang guhit para magmukhang maganda. And then, ito, ang gagawin nyo na lang dyan, summation or autosum. Ito. Enter. So, meron na tayong computation. So, lagyan muna natin yung guhit. Okay. So, ano yung magiging end result after nating makuha ito? Gross profit minus operating expense is equals to operating income. Ayan. So, may operating income na tayo is equals to gross profit minus operating expense. So, may natitira pa tayong operating income na 1,335,350. So, compute naman tayo ng ating tax or the income tax. So, this income tax will be part of your liability under ayan, so when we deduct the operating income, we need to compute the income tax. So, 30% siya ng operating income. So, equals to, tapat mo dito, and then multiplied or asterisk 0.30. So, we have 406.05. So, ang ating income tax ay 406.05 na kapag tayo ay pumunta sa balance sheet, magiging part siya ng income tax payable. So, huwag nyo kakalimutan kasi kung hindi natin siya ilalagay, hindi siya magbabalance sa inyong balance sheet. So, yan yung pinakaano dyan, ha? And then, operating income minus income tax is equals to net income. Okay. So, yung end result naman ng net income, ito naman ay papasok sa additional part of capital. So, ito yung ina-add na income. Okay. So, meron tayong equals to operating income minus the tax, we have the net income of 984,745. So, dalawa bali ang papasok sa balance sheet. Again, this income tax, papasok siya sa iyong income tax payable under liabilities, and net income, mag-a-add siya sa iyong capital. So, beginning capital add net income is equals to ending capital para makumpleto ang iyong balance sheet. Okay? So, ayusin na natin yung itsura niya. So, since gawin nating Arial 11. So, ang ginamit ko ay Arial 11. And then this one, emerge and center natin. Sorry po. Okay? So, meron na tayong magandang income statement. So, tingnan nyo lang kung paano ko siya ginagawa para magmukha talaga siyang income statement. So, tapos na ang ating income statement. Yung ating balance sheet ay nangangalahati na. So, pagandahin na lang natin. Okay, balance sheet. So, paano natin ginagawa yung balance sheet? Again, this is a statement of financial position or statement of financial condition. So, kunin natin yung other information para hindi naman and then, ayan. Ba't hindi ko nilagay yun dito? Kasi, iba naman yung pangalan, which is the income statement. So, dito, lagay natin statement of financial condition. So, we have the statement of financial condition or the balance sheet. So, let's start with our asset. So, kunin muna natin yung ating current asset first. So, yan. Gawa tayo ng para makuha natin yung ating current asset. So, alin ba dito ang ating current asset? Kukunin lang natin siya sa kabila. Okay. Ang current asset natin ay, ayan naman, nakalagay. So, under cash, ito. So, cash. And then, we have the accounts receivable. We have the office supplies. We have the merchandise inventory. We have the prepaid insurance. Ayan. So, meron na tayong current asset. So, siguro gawin na muna natin para kumpleto. Okay, we have the equals, the amount of current asset, which is under cash. Then we have accounts receivable. We have office supplies. We have merchandise inventory. We have prepaid insurance. Okay. Check nga natin kung may naligaw na other current asset. Current asset. Ayan, wala na. So, kulayan natin siya para hindi tayo maligaw. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin tapos na. So, nakabuo na tayo ng under current asset. So, we have the amount of current asset. So, auto sum natin. Ayan. And then, we have the non-current asset. So, ang non-current asset natin ay nag-iisa lang naman ito. So, we have the office equipment. So, i-ano natin equals office equipment, yung amount niya equals, ayan. And then, magdideduct tayo. Di ba sabi ko nga, may contra account ang office equipment, which is accumulated depreciation. So, hindi ko siya pwedeng i-copy-paste kasi naglagay ako ng word na less. Sorry po. Less accumulated depreciation. Yan. Office equipment. So, ang amount niya ay kunin natin. Magkano yung amount ng accumulated depreciation? So, we have 40. Ayan. So, kulayan natin dalawa. Natapos na siya para hindi tayo maligaw uli. Ano pa bang hindi natin nagagawa? Okay. So, lahat ay current liabilities. So, tapusin natin sa balance sheet. So, ito, lagyan natin ng guhit. Ito rin. And then, equals to 200,000 minus 40,000. So, we have 160,000. So, ang total niyan will be your total asset. So, dapat, ang laman ng liabilities and capital nyo is the same with this amount. So, we have total asset. Okay. So, pagandahin natin siya. Gawin natin aerial. So, this is aerial. And then, itong side na to, gawin nating money matters. So, galawin natin itong comma style. Yan. So, pag may ganyan, ibig sabihin lang maliit yung space. Iurong nyo lang. So, our total asset is equals to summation of total current asset plus the non-current asset. So, we have 1,852,720 pesos. So, dapat yan ang lalabas sa computation nyo sa baba. Okay? So, we have here, ayan. And then, gawin na natin yung ating liabilities. Liabilities and capital. So, we have the current liabilities. Liabilities. So, ano-ano ba yung mga yon? So, kunin natin dito. So, we have accounts payable, accrued salaries, at saka, meron pa ba? Ayun, notes payable. So, bali tatlo. Kunin natin dito. Equals accounts payable equals accrued salaries equals loans payable long term, and then, hindi, sorry po, mali yan, equals, ayan, notes payable short term, and yung sabi ko kanina, your income tax is also part of your balance sheet. So, this one is income tax, magiging payable na siya. Kasi, babayaran nyo pa lang siya after 45 years ng third quarter. 45 days ng fourth quarter. So, ilagay natin dito yung ating amount na galing dito sa trial balance. So, we have the current liabilities equals and then we have the 400,000. Hindi, sorry po. we have the 23,000, and then kunin natin yung ating income tax dito. Yan. So, yan ang part ng iyong current liabilities. About naman sa, pahabain natin ito masyadong maliit para makita nyo. Ayan. About naman dito sa ating non-current liabilities. So, gawa tayo ng non-current liabilities. About non-current liabilities, we have equals. So, ang non-current natin ay nag-iisa lang. So, ayan. So, dahil nag-iisa lang siya, dito na natin siya ilagay. Equals non-current liabilities. Okay? Ay, sorry po. Equals to, sorry, yung amount ang kukunin natin. 400,000. Okay? So, ano na yung laman natin? We have the total liabilities is equals to total is equals to how much? Auto sum nitong dalawa. So, we have 837,375. Ayan. And then, start na tayo sa capital. So, we have the beginning capital. So, ang laman ng ating beginning capital ay, sorry po, capital. So, we have beginning capital is equals to how much? Capital natin ay 220,000. Ayan. And then, i-add natin yung ating net income. So, we have the net income of how much? Dito sa income statement. Ayan. Hindi ko ba inano? Ayan. And then, ililess natin yung contra account ng capital. Diba, kanina, meron dong, ito, nakalagay ay Ching drawing. Okay, so that's drawing. Drawing means withdrawal. So, less drawing. Ayan. So, ito ay ililess natin. Kunin muna natin. Equals minus 140. Ayan. So, ang ating ending capital will be ayan. So, when we compute these two, ang dapat na end result natin ay the same with the top. Okay? So, this one is total liabilities and capital. So, we auto-sum these two. Ayan, di ba the same? 1,852,720. So, again, ang wag nyong kakalimutan na i-add ang income tax payable and i-add ang net income sa inyong balance sheet. Kasi kung hindi, never siyang magbabalance kahit anong gawin nyo. So, baliwala yung knowledge nyo sa accounting or sa finance kung makakalimutan nyo yung mga basic terms na ganyan. Again, this is Ma'am Ching. So, I'm just hoping na naintindihan nyo yung proseso kung paano ginagawa yung ating statement of net income under corporation or kahit na yan man ay general partnership. So, it's the same on how I compute this one. So, ayan. So, dapat yung knowledge natin dito medyo, na. Okay? So, bye-bye. So, I'm just hoping na may naintindihan kayo sa natin ngayon. Okay?